What if we told you that one of the smallest dog breeds on Earth also has one of the biggest personalities in the animal kingdom? Yep, we're talking about Chihuahuas. These pint-sized pups might not even weigh as much as your laptop, but trust us, they come packed with energy, attitude, and enough loyalty to rival a guard dog 3 times their size. So, what makes these tiny dogs such massive favorites around the world? Stick around, because today we're revealing the 10 reasons why Chihuahuas are the best dogs ever. Whether you already have one or are thinking about adding a little bark to your life, this list will absolutely make you see them in a new light. And before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to Doggy Pedia, your ultimate guide to the world of dogs. Hit that bell so you never miss out on fun, fascinating, and furry content. Let's get into it. 1. Pocket-sized and apartment approved. No backyard? No problem. Chihuahuas are the ultimate space savers. At just 3 to 6 pounds on average, they can turn even the tiniest studio apartment into their personal kingdom. Your couch becomes their castle, your lap becomes their throne, and your hallway becomes their private racetrack at 3 a.m. Their tiny size means you'll never struggle with bulky crates or oversized dog beds. In fact, most of their essentials can fit on a single shelf. And don't even get us started on travel. Heading to the store, visiting friends, flying across the country, your Chihuahua can literally come with you in a tote bag. TSA-friendly, seat-sharing, and ready for selfies at the gate. Their compact build makes them a dream for city dwellers, college students, seniors, and anyone who doesn't have a ton of space to spare. Minimal room, maximum love. With a Chihuahua, small space living never felt so cozy. 2. Low maintenance, but still fabulous. Think tiny dog equals high maintenance diva. Not with this one. Chihuahuas may look like celebrities, but when it comes to grooming, they're surprisingly chill. Let's break it down. Short-haired Chihuahuas need a quick brushing once or twice a week. That's it. No mats, no tangles, no all-day brushing sessions. A bath every 4 to 6 weeks, unless they roll in something funky, and they're good to go. Long-haired Chihuahuas might look like little lion dogs, but they're still fairly low effort. A gentle brush 2 to 3 times a week will keep them smooth and mat-free. No need for daily detangling marathons or fancy blowouts, unless you're going for the glam look, of course. And forget about the shedding nightmare you get with bigger breeds. Chihuahuas shed lightly and don't leave a cloud of fur in their wake. That means less cleaning, fewer grooming bills, and more time doing what matters, snuggling your stylish little sidekick. 3. Tiny but fierce, the ultimate watchdog. Here's the thing, Chihuahuas don't know they're small. Seriously, they act like they're guarding Fort Knox, even if their entire body could fit in your purse. They are naturally alert, suspicious of strangers, and fiercely protective of their people. If someone's at the door, you'll know. If there's a squirrel in the yard, you'll really know. That high-pitched bark? It's the Chihuahua version of "get off my lawn." And while their bark may be louder than their bite, they've got an impressive sense of loyalty that makes them genuinely great watchdogs. You'll be surprised at how quickly they'll step in to protect the home, or at least warn you with gusto. Of course, like any good alarm system, they need a little fine-tuning. Training is key to keep their barking appropriate and not constant. But once trained, a Chihuahua can be an intelligent, intuitive, alert dog that knows how to tell the difference between a delivery guy and an actual intruder. Think of it this way, they're like having a home security system, with ears, sass, and a wagging tail. 4. They adapt like champs. Life changes. You move, you switch jobs. You go from solo living in the city to raising kids in the suburbs. Guess what? Your Chihuahua's rolling with it. These dogs are insanely adaptable. Whether you live in a high-rise apartment or a cozy cabin, Chihuahuas adjust quickly and confidently. New furniture? Cool. New neighborhood? No problem. Road trip to grandma's house? Already packed. They don't need a big yard, complicated routines, or endless stimulation to stay happy. As long as they're near you, they'll thrive. In fact, their deep bond with their humans is part of what makes them so versatile. They're more concerned about being close to their person than where they're living. This flexibility makes them ideal for people who move often, travel for work, or just want a dog that won't freak out when the Wi-Fi goes down. They're steady little survivors, built to adjust, bounce back, and thrive no matter the setting. 5. Small dog, big personality. Let's be honest, Chihuahuas are dramatic. In the best way, they strut with confidence, hold eye contact like they're judging your life choices, and act like they own every room they walk into. Don't be surprised if they choose the biggest dog at the park to bark at, or if they act personally offended when you leave the house without them. Every Chihuahua is a walking mood board with unique quirks, habits, and expressions. Some are total divas, others are snuggly introverts, and some are feisty rebels who love causing a little chaos. But no matter their personality type, they're never boring. They keep you laughing, guessing, and on your toes. They'll roll over dramatically during belly rubs. They'll talk to you with a series of tiny growls and huffs. They'll stare you down when you're eating and make you feel genuinely guilty for not sharing. Owning a Chihuahua is like living with a tiny comedian who also doubles as your emotional support animal. It's a full-time experience, and one you'll absolutely love. 6. Loyal to the core, your shadow with a tail. Chihuahuas don't just bond with you, they lock on. This isn't the kind of dog who just greets you at the door and then wanders off. No, a Chihuahua wants to be involved in everything. They'll follow you from room to room like your furry little shadow, plop themselves in your lap the moment you sit down, and wait patiently while you brush your teeth, just so they're close by. And the look they give you when you're eating? Pure intensity. Not because they're hungry, well, maybe a little, but because they're interested. They care. They're invested in you. Every move, every moment. That's the magic of a Chihuahua's loyalty. Once you've earned their trust, they're yours. Unconditionally, obsessively, and adorably. Whether you're watching a movie or folding laundry, your little sidekick is right there, always in your corner. 7. Cost you less, love you more. We all know dogs are worth every penny, but that doesn't mean we want to spend our life savings on kibble and squeaky toys. Thankfully, Chihuahuas are among the most budget-friendly breeds out there. Their petite size means they eat very little, just a few spoonfuls of food per meal. A standard-sized bag of quality dog food can last you months. And because they're small, they don't need heavy-duty toys, crates, or industrial-strength leashes. Even meds, flea treatments, and vet care? Smaller dog equals smaller dosage equals smaller bill. And yet, despite the lower cost, you still get all the love, all the loyalty, and all the cuddles you could ask for. Chihuahuas are living proof that big love doesn't have to come with a big price tag. 8. Couch potato approved, minimal exercise needed. Some dogs were made to run marathons. Chihuahuas were made to chill. Now don't get us wrong, they've got energy, and they love a good zoomy session around the house. But they also wear out fast. These little legs only need a short walk, a quick fetch session, or even a couple of hallway sprints to get their daily dose of activity. Perfect for people with busy schedules, small yards, or limited mobility, Chihuahuas are ideal low-exercise companions. No need for long hikes or intense playtime, just a bit of movement and a whole lot of relaxation. If your fitness plan involves walking from the couch to the kitchen and back with a Chihuahua under your arm, you're doing it right. 9. Tiny body therapy dog energy. Ever feel like your dog just knows when you've had a rough day? Chihuahuas are experts at emotional connection. Their ability to sense your mood is nothing short of incredible. They can pick up on your energy, respond to your tone, and offer comfort without a single word being spoken. They're the perfect emotional support companions, small enough to snuggle anywhere, sensitive enough to sit quietly when you need it most, and expressive enough to make you smile even when you're feeling low. Whether you live alone, deal with anxiety, or just want a little extra emotional support, a Chihuahua might be exactly what your heart needs. They're not just dogs. They're furry therapists, complete with snorts, snuggles, and zero judgment. 10. They stick around for the long haul. Get ready for some seriously good news. Chihuahuas are one of the longest-living dog breeds out there. With proper care, they can easily live to be 15, or even 18 plus years old. That's over a decade of morning snuggles, over a decade of tail wags, belly rubs, and late-night couch naps. Over a decade of that one-of-a-kind companionship that only a Chihuahua can give. Of course, longevity comes with responsibility. Regular vet checkups, a healthy diet, and lots of love are key to keeping your pup happy and thriving. But here's the thing. When you commit to a Chihuahua, you're not just getting a dog. You're getting a long-term best friend. One who'll grow with you, stick with you, and be there through life's biggest moments. For a dog that fits in the palm of your hand, that's a huge amount of love to last a lifetime. So, are Chihuahuas the best dogs ever? Let's look at the facts. They're small and easy to care for. They're packed with personality. They're loyal, loving, and emotionally connected. They're budget-friendly and don't need a ton of exercise. And best of all, they'll be your little buddy for years to come. What more could you ask for? Whether you're searching for a compact companion, a pocket-sized protector, or just a ridiculously adorable lap warmer, Chihuahuas check every box. Tiny dog, giant heart, total legend. Already have a Chihuahua? Drop their name and the funniest thing they've ever done in the comments. We love hearing your stories. Thinking about getting one? Ask your questions and let the Doggypedia community help you out. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with a fellow dog lover, subscribe to Doggypedia for more fun, factual, and furry content, and hit that bell so you never miss a new tail-wagging episode. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you, and hopefully your Chihuahua, in the next one.